Polynucleotide treatment has revolutionized the aesthetic medicine, bringing the extraordinary solution for skin rejuvenation. Hello everyone, I'm Galina. I'm one of the owners of Aesthetic Clinic in London, and today I will talk about the very popular polynucleotide treatment for skin rejuvenation. What are the polynucleotides? They are bioactive molecules that actually work at cellular level to stimulate the collagen synthesis, and in that way actually stimulate the skin regeneration, rejuvenation and overall skin health. We all know the importance of the collagen for our skin, and with the time we lose the collagen. Actually, lose is not the right term, but more simply we can explain it, we can tell it like a losing the collagen. Actually, with the time, the collagen that our skin produces is different types, and also the process is slowing down. So this is why with the time we see our skin, we see and feel our skin losing the elasticity, losing the hydration, the firmness, and especially for the women I'm talking about in that case, we lose that firmness, especially in the lower part of the face. Of course, the polynucleotide treatment is targeting the all skin concerns in terms of regeneration and rejuvenation. What actually is the polynucleotide treatment? We use the mesotherapy technique to inject very gently. It is not an invasive treatment for the face, but very effective. So with the mesotherapy injections, we drive the polynucleotides into the dermal level of the skin, where all the transformation happens. With each injection, the polynucleotides awaken the dormant cells, triggering a cascade of rejuvenation, of restoration, bringing that youthful vitality skin. In my aesthetic clinic, we are professionals, we are qualified, and we use really gentle but effective technique to drive the product, the polynucleotides, into the dermal level of the skin. When this happens, when polynucleotides are driven into the dermal level, actually it's interacting very harmoniously with the skin's natural processes, and in that way unlocking the full potential of the skin's rejuvenative capabilities. So imagine a booster, a very effective, very powerful booster injected into the skin that gives that youthfulness, regeneration and restoration from within. So these bioactive, small bioactive molecules are so powerful to bring that youthfulness, regeneration of the skin, improving the overall health. Who is suitable for that treatment? So usually in my clinic, with my experience, the patients and clients over 30 years are suitable to have this treatment. Of course, if you have any concerns and you feel that your skin losing the elasticity for the hormonal changes, for the stress, because of the stress, you might consider the treatment even earlier than 30 years. The benefits of the polynucleotide treatments are seen almost immediately. There is no particular downtime of the treatment, and the benefits are seen and become really apparent and much more apparent with the time. So you see that restoration and rejuvenation with the weeks passing. What I recommend, of course, depends on the skin type and skin condition and your age and your lifestyle. My recommendation is to have usually 3 treatments in a row in 2 weeks time apart, and in 6-8 months one another boost for the skin. My professional advice is to have the proper assessment in my clinic. Of course, we offer for all of you that don't know us to have the free video consultation where you can find out and understand our concepts, and if you like what we share in aesthetic fields and what we offer, you can see us for the proper assessment where we can evaluate all your needs and we can give you the right plan for your skin. So in few words, remember, polynucleotide treatments, small molecules, very powerful, quick results, non-invasive procedure, youthfulness, rejuvenation, quick results, long-lasting. All the information you can find below the video, but if you still like to be informed, we are very happy to give you more information and more assistance. You just click on our website and use the live chat to connect with us. Give us a follow on our social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. We'll appreciate your likes.